This event would not be successful without the help of those who organize it.
Veteran Gilmo Branch! Amanui! Thank you so much for coming.
Looking back, Bamboo Spa 8 years ago, we have 5 employees, and now we have 83 employees across New Zealand. So, and of course, we thank all our friends and family na nandito who traveled all the way to spend hours. Siyempre, dumadami din yung ating mga franchise. Thank you si Celeste and Dan for trusting us. Maybe they'll have their second or their third branch soon. So we hope that we can continue to change lives and continue to inspire others to dream big. Lahat ng to, we won't have it without you guys. So we owe it all to you, and we're forever thankful and grateful. Thank you everyone for your hard work and dedication. Alam ko napapagod kayo, pero tandaan nyo, wala si Bamboo Spa. Wala rin kami kung wala kayo. Thank you so much and love namin kayong lahat. Thank you.